You remember how I told you we got a lot of gophers here and they're wreaking a lot of havoc? Yeah, we got a lot. We got holes through just everywhere. This whole side, the garden side, had a lot of holes, but I'm thinking most of that is going to be handled now because I put down landscape fabric and chipped the whole yard on this side. So hopefully I don't have to fight gophers or weeds over here too much. On the other side, no, not so much. I haven't trapped them, I haven't caged them, I haven't killed them. However, we got a neighbor, I don't know what neighbor it is, and they have a cat. And apparently she likes our yard. I find her out here, little light gray tabby in the backyard, hanging out quite a bit, slaying in the sun, scratching on the trees. She's doing her job. We found a dead gopher here the other day. So I wanted to go ahead and invite her to hang out more. So what did I do? Catnip. So I'm gonna be planting this because the cats will always be welcome. I don't want them to get my birds, but the gophers, they can have them all. So I'm gonna plant those, and the tree I'm gonna plant them under actually has 2 of my cats buried underneath it. So it's perfect. And I think that's the side of the fence she comes in at. I'm also gonna plant some geraniums. I wanna show you these because these are just from one of my mom's plants she has in a pot. I wish they were flowering, but maybe, you know, eventually. They have like a light pinky purple and then a dark pinky purple flower. They're really, really pretty flower. So we just picked these off of hers and stuck them in some dirt, and now they're growing. This is one of them. I'm gonna put these under that tree too with the catnip. It's a very pretty feminine kind of flower, and my 2 cats that are over there buried under that tree, they were very girly feminine cats, so it works out. However, we had really bad winds, I don't know, a month or 2 ago, really bad, and they just blew everything all over everywhere. Trees down all over the whole county, everything. So 2 of the plants that we had started in my mom's backyard, she just had them in little pots. They literally blew across the yard. They were out of the pots, and my mom, bless her heart, she just picked them up. The pots were gone, just gone. So she picked them up and she just put them up against the wall in their dirt, just in their dirt. And they've been sitting there. I can't get this one out now. They were sitting there for all this time. So yesterday I decided to steal them. I told her we could just make some more. So I got home. I had to bring these home dried to the bone in like a plastic bag. And I just found some pots here on the property and stuck them in them and watered them last night so that I could be ready to plant them today. This one's not looking too bad, but check this one out. Poor baby. This is the only pot I had to put it in. But look at, there's still green there. There's still green. It's gonna live, it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna plant all 3 of these with the 2 catnips, and hopefully that will bring that cat to hang out some more and kill more gophers. And yeah, hopefully that'll solve or help solve one problem.
more pots for me to use later. So here we have it, the geranium, catnip, the other one, the sad one that will come back, and the other catnip.